Hello. Today we are going to open the container. Open means taking the lid off. Watch me. Hold. Turn. Open. Now let's try together. Hold the bottom. Hold the lid. Turn. Open. Good opening. Good job opening. Now let's clap our hands together. Clap. Let's do it again. Hold. Turn. Open. You did it. Nice job opening the container. Thumbs up. Ready? Strong hands. Turn, turn. Open. Great work. Hold tight. Turn. Open. Super opening. Clap, clap. Last time. Hold. Turn. Open. Amazing. You opened it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You opened the container by yourself. High five. See you next time. Goodbye.